Hyunbo has been falsely accused for murder by Unsung, and that's a huge charge against him. So he will immediately be taken to the Korean prison, and his whole trial process would be taken care in Korea. As we see, the prison outfit Hyunbo is wearing has Korean written on it. Unsung meticulously planned this whole thing out to make sure he enters Hain's life when she is reborn after surgery. In the hospital, Unsung would find the diary written by Hain and he will burn it, as he could not let Hain read those words. It's such a frustrating moment to see him burn those beautiful words Hain wrote. But I believe Hyunbo might have already read the notebook because Hain asked Hyunbo to read the notebook while waiting when she's getting the surgery. Unsung must try really hard to remove Hyunbo's existence from Hain's life, but we all know how that will be impossible. Hain was only able to remember one word after her surgery, and that is Hyunbo's name. His name is imprinted on her mind and heart. That's why I believe Hain would continue to have flashbacks from her past memories in bits and pieces, and it will make her heart hurt with pain because she wouldn't be able to put all those memories together, but deep down in her heart, she will know that something is not right. Hain would also eventually remember writing the heartfelt words on her notebook because of the muscle memory. Hain writes, "That man is the reason I didn't want to lose my memories, and the only reason I wanted to live even if I lost my memories. I don't want to ever forget him." But Hain wouldn't be able to remember which man she was referring to while writing all of this. As Hyunbo was arrested and no one was around Hain in Germany, Hain's father would send his 2 investigators that he had once assigned for Hyunbo in the past to stalk his life. He'll make them go to Germany and look after Hain. As we all know that they are amazing at keeping all tabs, so they'll keep Hain's dad updated on everything happening in Germany and make sure that Unsung doesn't harm Hain in any way. I feel like these 2 investigators will also be able to film Unsung burning Hain's notebook, or maybe they'll be able to save the notebook from completely burning, so they will still be able to save some portion of that notebook, which they will later give to Hain once she'll be back to Korea. When Unsung would take Hain back to Korea, Hain's family would greet her at the airport. But when Hain's family would try to show affection towards her, Hain would feel uncomfortable as she wouldn't be able to remember her old memories and wouldn't be able to recognize her family. But slowly, Hain would be able to adapt, and thankfully her family would help her adjust to this new life by staying by her side. Her family would try to tell Hain about Hyunbo and how much Hyunbo adored her, but Hain would be conflicted by 2 different opinions from her family and Unsung. But whenever Hyunbo's name would be mentioned, or whenever she'll recall his name, she'll have a sharp pain in her heart thinking about him. That's how Hain would decide to meet Hyunbo at the prison. When Hyunbo would look at Hain in the prison, he'll be so happy and emotional to see her all recovered. It would be the first time that he will be seeing her after the surgery. This would bring tears to his eyes. But Hain wouldn't be able to remember him, but her heart will race looking at him. Hyunbo will promise Hain that they will meet again very soon. Hyunbo's friend and his family will work hard in fighting for Hyunbo's innocence. Kim Young-gi would find the dashcam footage of the day of the murder from a bus nearby and would eventually be able to get Hyunbo out of the jail. Things will finally start to get better, but Suchol and Dahae would face a tough time when Dahae would be cornered by her baby daddy Junho. Junho would try to harm Dahae, and he'll demand her to give back money and the USB with all their dirty little secrets. Junho would kidnap Dahae and take her somewhere, but Suchol, worried for his wife, would search for her everywhere. Suchol would finally be able to ride the bike successfully, and he'll be able to locate Dahae. Suchol will make use of the boxing skills he learned till now and would put up a good fight with Junho, and Suchol would actually succeed. We see Suchol in blood. It's because of the fight, but Suchol must have won for the first time, and he would finally protect his wife and his child. After that, Dahae would take Suchol to the hospital. Dahae would finally be done with her past, and she will decide to give over the USB to Hyunbo. As Hyunbo is out of prison, Dahae would take the USB and hand it over to Hyunwoo. Unsung's downfall would be at the hands of Hyunwoo himself. Hyunwoo would gather evidence for all the frauds Unsung committed and how he misused the slush fund and also all the embezzlement charges against him. Hyunwoo would come prepared as he will enter the Queen's Group shareholders meeting where Hain would also be sitting. Hyunwoo would end Unsung's career and throw him off of his chairman position and reveal to the world his evil ways. Unsung would finally be arrested and done for. Hain would watch Hyunwoo do all of this and it will impress her so much. We all know how Hain was so impressed and in love with Hyunwoo. She would find Hyunwoo's little things so hot. The new Hain would find herself getting flustered and getting attracted to Hyunwoo and his charms. But Hyunwoo won't be hasty in entering Hain's life. He would respect the fact that Hain is struggling with her memories and she's confused because Unsung played with her memories. But these two are meant for each other and it will be nature that will lead them back together. There are many proofs of Hyunwoo and Hain's love which could never be burnt away. Hain would listen to her MP3 player as it will evoke the memories from the past in bits and pieces. There's also Hyunwoo's video recording that he made before they went to Germany for the surgery. So Hain must watch that too and see how much this man was in love with her. Also, Hain's balsam on her nail is still not fully faded away, and I believe before it fades away, Hain will recover all her memories and remember Hyunwoo. This will happen on night when Hain would visit the aquarium where Hyunwoo proposed her. Hain must have little memories from that day, and it will be bugging her, and she would want to go and see the place in person. There, Hain would look around and would slowly find herself remembering the old memories. She will think she saw Hyunwoo, and she will run towards him to find him, but won't be able to find him. It will also be the day of the first snow in South Korea. Hain would go out as she will be getting a headache due to her memories. Hyunwoo would saw Hain from afar as he'll be worried seeing Hain not feeling well. Hyunwoo would scream and call out her name. Immediately as the snow will fall and Hain would hear Hyunwoo desperately calling her name out, Hain will remember the time in Germany when she got out of the surgery and Hyunwoo was being taken to jail. Hyunwoo that time also called out her name desperately. So that's why, with a bang, she will regain her memories and Hyunwoo would run towards her and both will hug each other. They both will cry as all the memories will flow through them again and they will share a passionate kiss and live happily ever after. So these were my predictions for the last 2 episodes. It's really sad, but we need to prepare ourselves because next week is the last week of Queen of Tears. I can't believe this journey is finally coming to an end. I'm so emotional even thinking about it, but I'm so thankful to all of us for making it to the end. I'll see you guys for next week with the last episode predictions and review. Thank you for watching, Drama Family. Take care and bye-bye.